Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around. My name is Lorna and I create lots of nail content. I'm literally just obsessed with nails, so if you are too, you're in the right place. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Your support means absolutely everything. Thank you so much for being a bomb. Okay, so we are not playing around with this design. We are jumping straight into it. I have been cooking up this idea in my head for at least a year and I finally got a chance to execute it. I didn't want to just execute it on one nail. I had to do a full set for this because I wanted to have that dramatic effect. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah. That is what we waited for and it finally came around. So now, of course, I have to share it with you guys, my absolute nail besties. So I've started off, I've done my nail bed and I'm coming in with a white gel polish and I'm just making sure to fill in the free edge of the tip because we want our polishes to really pop. Not gonna lie, this would look banging over the top of a clear free edge as well, but you just wouldn't get that super vibrant pop from the neon glass gels. So once we've finished applying our white and we've tidied up that smile line, we're going to go ahead and cure that in the light for, you can do 30 seconds or you can do 60. It's going to be going back in the light a lot anyway because it's a process, okay? These are the glass gel colours that I'm using. I've got pink, yellow, turquoise and blue, and yeah, they just look so good together. So let's get into the design. So I'm starting off with pink topaz and I'm just running a line down the centre. This is going to be my thickest line out of all of them, and then from there on they're going to be varying. So you want to try and make sure this is in the centre. However, it isn't the end of the world if it's not because it's just a tartan print. It could be offset, it could be to the side, it really doesn't matter too much, but if you want to replicate this one, we're going for the center, okay? Next up, you want to apply the same colour to the side, one on the right and one on the left. Now at this point, if you want to, you can go ahead and give that a flash cure, or if you are super confident in your skills, you can just carry on adding all the pink colours and then cure all at once. It just saves a little bit of time. So we are adding one towards the free edge, one in the centre and then one further up that nail. Once you've finished with the first colour, which is pink, we're going to go ahead and give that a cure for 10 to 30 seconds in the light just to make sure we freeze it in place. We can then move on to the next colour, which is the highlighter yellow, and we are going to place this in between the pink, and of course when they mix, because they are glass gels, we're going to get that orange colour between. Of course you can play around with the thickness of the lines, but I decided to keep these thinner because I wanted it to look more intricate and I wanted to fit a lot on. I felt like adding more colours and having less of that white space really added to the complete effect that I was going for, and the overall look, oh, it is just absolutely bomb. We're going to carry on with all of the yellow, then flash cure those in the light for that 10 to 30 seconds. And once we've done that, we can then move on to our blue. Yeah, so we're moving on to the blue. We get a mix of purple when it hits the pink, or we get a mix of green when it hits the yellow. It's just amazing. I love it. It turned out so good. Honestly, I was so happy with it, you guys. Also remember as well that just because I've done a complete full set of it doesn't mean you have to. You could use it as one or two nails throughout your entire set for this summer. Yeah, have a play with it, have a mess around, do it in some designs, just have fun. Okay, so I cured the blue and then I'm coming in with the sea glass, which is the turquoise colour, and I'm just doing that throughout the centre, just adding those downward pinstripes, and then I'm going to do that and cure it in the light for the final 60 seconds. And yeah, I'm just loving how it looks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you like this look or would you not try it? After I finished curing it, it was time to come in with my Supergloss. I added a top coat over the entire nail and cured it in the light, and this is the final look once I'd finished the entire set. Oof, it is so dreamy. You could go to town with adding charms, 3D art, like little cute teddy bears, all the cuteness. Could you imagine? Absolutely, like I'm obsessed. I'm so glad that I finally got to execute this design. It's been living rent-free in my brain for way too long, and I've got so many more. So yeah, I'm excited to get them out and share them with you guys. For anybody wondering the shape of the nails, these are the new Glitter Planet XL Oval Jelly Flex nail tips. So they are soft gel nails as well. So if you love this shape, which I absolutely do, you can get your hands on them. I'll link them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.